Cats, like many animals, can experience a range of emotions, including jealousy. While it may seem surprising at first, the idea that a cat could feel jealousy isn't as strange as it may sound. Cats are highly sensitive to changes in their environment, particularly when it comes to their relationships with humans or other animals. Jealousy in cats manifests itself in various ways, and understanding why cats get jealous and how they express this emotion can help cat owners better manage their pet's behavior and strengthen their bond. At the core of jealousy in cats is the same emotional response that many animals experience when they perceive a threat to their social standing or their access to resources. Just as humans may feel jealous when they perceive a loss of attention or affection from a loved one, cats can feel jealousy when they notice a shift in their attention from one subject to another. For cats, this often means when a new pet, person, or object enters the household and diverts attention that the cat is used to receiving. Cats are territorial creatures by nature. Their territory can include their living space, but more importantly, it extends to the relationships they share with the people and animals in their environment. When a new person, animal, or situation comes into the picture, it can be perceived as an intrusion into their personal space. This leads the cat to feel possessive of its human companions. Food, and comfort. As a result, jealousy can arise when a cat perceives that the balance has been disrupted, and it may begin to show signs of possessiveness or rivalry. The way a cat expresses jealousy can vary significantly from one feline to another. Some cats become vocal, meowing loudly or even yowling to assert their presence and demand attention. Others may resort to more subtle behaviors, such as sitting closer to their owner or blocking the new person or pet from receiving attention. Cats might also exhibit behaviors like following their owners around the house, jumping onto their laps more frequently, or positioning themselves between their owner and the new animal or person. They might also try to push their way into the situation by sitting on your lap when you're interacting with someone else or rubbing up against you in an attempt to reclaim your attention. In more extreme cases, jealousy can lead to negative behaviors like aggression. A cat that feels threatened by another pet may display territorial aggression, such as hissing, swatting, or even attacking the newcomer. This is particularly common when a cat feels that its resources, like its food, space, or even its human companions, are being encroached upon. If a cat feels that a new pet or person is taking something that it feels entitled to, it may react by asserting dominance or displaying aggressive behavior to drive away the perceived rival. Jealousy can also manifest as passive-aggressive behavior. Some cats may start to exhibit behaviors such as inappropriate urination or defecation outside the litter box, especially in situations where they feel insecure or threatened. In such cases, a cat may use marking or elimination as a way to express its discontent with the new situation. Scratching furniture or other surfaces more frequently can also be a sign of a cat trying to assert its presence and mark its territory in response to a perceived threat. These behaviors are often a direct response to the anxiety and stress caused by the feelings of jealousy. Interestingly, jealousy in cats is often more noticeable when the change involves a human, as cats typically form very strong attachments to their owners. Cats are social creatures that develop deep bonds with their human companions, and these bonds are often central to their sense of security. When a new person or pet comes into the home and distracts attention away from them, it can be seen as a challenge to the cat's position within the household. Cats can become particularly jealous when their owners show affection to a new person, pet, or object, and this jealousy often triggers a variety of behaviors meant to regain attention and affection. A new pet, such as a dog or another cat, is a particularly common cause of jealousy in cats. Cats are creatures of habit, and they typically do not like change. When a new animal is introduced into the home, especially one that requires attention or care, it can lead to feelings of insecurity in the resident cat. A cat may feel that its routine has been disrupted or that it is no longer the focal point of its owner's attention. The new pet may receive praise or attention, leading the cat to become jealous and act out. Similarly, when a new baby or partner enters the household, cats may perceive the shift in the family dynamic as a threat to their position as the primary recipient of attention. In addition to jealousy driven by other animals or people, jealousy in cats can also be caused by changes in the environment. For example, if a new piece of furniture, a new gadget, or a new routine is introduced, a cat might feel unsettled. Cats are highly sensitive to their environment and can become stressed when things are not as they are used to. When a new object enters the home, especially one that takes away their human's attention, it can create feelings of jealousy or anxiety. Understanding why cats get jealous can help owners respond in ways that reduce conflict and stress. The first step in addressing jealousy is to ensure that the cat's basic needs are being met. This means providing plenty of attention, playtime, and affection to the cat so that it does not feel neglected. Cats often act out because they feel insecure, and providing reassurance can help alleviate their fears. It's important to maintain a consistent routine, as cats thrive on stability and are comforted by predictability. This includes feeding them at regular times, keeping their environment familiar, and maintaining regular play and interaction sessions. If a new pet or person has been introduced into the household, it's essential to give the cat time to adjust. Gradually introducing a new animal or person can help the cat become familiar with the change and reduce feelings of threat or jealousy. Keep the new pet or person separated from the cat at first, allowing the cat to get used to the presence of the newcomer from a distance. Slowly allow the two to interact under supervision and reward positive behavior with treats and affection. This gradual approach can help reduce stress and help the cat learn that the newcomer is not a threat. It's also helpful to make sure that the cat has its own space where it can retreat and feel safe. This is especially important if the cat feels crowded by the presence of another animal or person. Providing the cat with a private space, such as a bed or a high perch, where it can feel secure will help it manage feelings of jealousy. Cats often feel more at ease when they have a place where they can go to rest, think, and escape from situations that make them feel anxious or threatened. In addition to providing a safe space, it's important to show the cat that it remains an important part of the family. Spend quality time with the cat, even if there is a new person or pet in the house. This could mean setting aside time each day for one-on-one attention, petting, or playtime. You can also reinforce the bond by giving your cat treats or special toys during times when jealousy is most likely to occur, helping to create positive associations with the new changes in the household. Managing jealousy in cats also involves recognizing that it's normal for cats to need time to adjust to changes. It's important to be patient and understanding, as forcing a cat into interactions with new people or pets too quickly can exacerbate feelings of jealousy. Likewise, punishing a cat for displaying jealous behaviors is not effective and can lead to more stress and anxiety. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and gentle management of the cat's feelings, helping it to understand that its needs are still being met, even in the face of new circumstances. In some cases, jealousy can become a more serious behavioral issue, especially if it results in ongoing aggression, marking behaviors, or extreme anxiety. If a cat's jealous behavior seems to be persistent or is causing significant stress for both the cat and its family, it might be time to consult with a veterinarian or animal behaviorist. They can offer guidance on how to address jealousy-related issues and help the cat feel more secure in its environment. Cats do experience jealousy, and it's often a response to changes in their environment or relationships. Jealousy in cats is linked to their territorial instincts and their attachment to their human companions. While it can lead to a variety of behaviors, such as increased vocalization, possessiveness, or aggression, understanding the root causes of jealousy can help owners address the behavior in a healthy and positive way. With patience, consistency, and attention to the cat's needs, it's possible to manage jealousy and help a cat feel more secure and content in its environment.